Welcome to my channel, Healthcare 24. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and like the video.
Hi, I'm Jen Gianni, and Alice is here with me to demonstrate some creative handholds and propping for rolling like a ball. You ready? Mm-hmm. Now these are advanced variations. So the first one, she's going to cross the arms and hold on to the shins. Yes, and then just bring your toes down for a second. Okay. Good. So I really like this one because the elbows and the legs can press into one another. And I want her to keep the contact with the inner leg and the elbow the whole time. So from here, she's going to bring her pelvis under her, and she's going to come into that balanced position, like she's trying to button the center of her sacrum down. Now here, she's going to keep the rounded position. So on the exhale, let's move back to the shoulders, and then come up to the balance. And you really have to fight for this balance point. Good, and she keeps squeezing the inner thighs. Good, do a couple more. Good, and squeeze the inner thighs into the elbows, kind of bend the elbows just a little bit, but keep drawing back in your belly. Yeah, that's important. And twice more, and back to the tops of the shoulders, and draw the belly back, and really feel like you're buttoning the center of the sacrum down. Even better. One more time. And back. Good, send the cool, good. Yeah, that means she's working hard. She's being honest, good. So she wants to imagine crown of the head is pouring forward, belly is moving back, and then rest for a second. All right, so this next variation's pretty hard. This is the magic circle variation where she's gonna put it to her tush and to her ankles. She's gonna hold on to the magic circle the whole time. She's just going to have one hand onto each shin, elbows up, shoulders down. So again, I want that same balance position, and I want her to find that when she comes up. So let's do inhale, back to your shoulders. We'll just switch the breath a little bit, and then exhale and pause. So really button the sacrum, ribs are going back and up. You can do a few more. And exhale, coming up, pause, deepen in the pelvis and the lower belly. Good, and one more. She's doing a great job holding on to this. Keeps you really honest because the distance is pretty much going to stay the same.
Thanks for watching.